And first up, we cut across to breaking news coming in. Shiv Sena MLA Sanjay Shirsat has revealed that the faction of 59 MLAs has formally urged Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde to assume the role of Deputy Chief Minister. Samant said their collective stance, stating that if Shinde declines the post, none of the MLAs will accept cabinet positions. He reiterated that no MLA from their group seeks the Deputy CM post, as their unanimous preference for this position is Eknath Shinde to take on that role. Let's listen into that statement from Shiv Sena MLA Sanjay Shirsat.
आप निगेटिव क्यों सोचते हो? एकनाथ शिंदे साहब को हमने जो रिक्वेस्ट की है वो हमारी बात मानेंगे जरूर। आज वो डीसीएम साहब पद की शपथ लेंगे, ये हमें विश्वास है।
आप लोग में से अगर वो नहीं लेते हैं तो आप लोगों ने कहा
हम में से कोई विधायक डीसीएम पद की शपथ नहीं लेगा, क्योंकि हमारे नेता वो है और हम चाहते, हम सभी विधायक चाहते हैं कि वही शपथ ले। हमारी ये जिद है। हम चाहे तो उसको क्या कहते हैं, हम बलजबरी उनको मनवाना चाहते और वो हमारी बात मानेंगे, ये हमें जानते। आप निगेटिव क्यों सोचते हो? एकनाथ शिंदे साहब को हमने जो रिक्वेस्ट की है वो हमारी बात मानेंगे जरूर। आज वो डीसीएम साहब पद की शपथ लेंगे, ये हमें विश्वास है।
आप लोग में से अगर वो नहीं लेते हैं तो आप लोगों ने कहा
हम में से कोई विधायक डीसीएम पद की शपथ नहीं लेगा, क्योंकि हमारे नेता वो है और हम चाहते, हम सभी विधायक चाहते हैं कि वही शपथ ले। हमारी ये जिद है। हम चाहे तो उसको क्या कहते हैं, हम बलजबरी उनको मनवाना चाहते और वो हमारी बात मानेंगे, ये हमें जानते।
Alright, less than 3 hours to go for the swearing-in ceremony to begin, and such feelers that are being sent out by Shinde Sena, where we are primarily picking up that Eknath Shinde still remains undecided on whether he will take on the position of Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Yesterday, all seemed well between the Mahayuti and that news conference that the three leaders of the Mahayuti had conducted together. But whether Eknath Shinde will take oath as Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra or not remains a question. Now, Shinde Sena primarily saying that they are urging Eknath Shinde to do so, but if he does not, then nobody will take the cabinet portfolio. Neither will anyone from the Shinde Sena take on the position of Deputy Chief Minister in Maharashtra. Cutting across to Kritarth, joining us on the broadcast. Kritarth, it all seemed fine until yesterday. But today it seems like Eknath Shinde is still undecided. What are the repercussions this may have in case he does not take on the post of Deputy Chief Minister?
Indeed, Suesha, and there is high-octane drama in Mumbai this morning, just hours ahead of the Maharashtra oath-taking ceremony, in which Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with all top NDA chief ministers and allies, will be joining in for the swearing-in ceremony of Devendra Fadnavis as the chief minister. Now, what was understood is that Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, both of the chiefs of NCP and Shiv Sena, respectively, will take oath as deputy chief ministers. In fact, this was the news information that was broken earlier yesterday evening on the basis of source-based information coming in from the Shiv Sena. However, the tables have turned once again this morning. Remember yesterday's interaction in which the press conference was held at Raj Bhavan, where the government stake claim was held by the Mahayuti government. That is where Eknath Shinde said that he will take a decision by evening, where Ajit Pawar also jokingly quipped that he is going to take oath as a deputy chief minister. He doesn't know about Eknath Shinde. Well, it seemed that by yesterday evening a consensus was made and Eknath Shinde was likely to take oath as the deputy chief minister. However, mixed signals have come in since this morning. First, we saw Union Minister Piyush Goyal congratulating Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde for taking oath as deputy chief ministers. But then we had the shocking press conference of Uday Samant, the top leader of the Shiv Sena and also a minister in the Maharashtra cabinet, at least in the outgoing Mahayuti government, who is also expected to perhaps hold a portfolio in the new one, that no Shiv Sena MLAs will take oath as ministers unless Eknath Shinde himself decides to be part of the government. Now, it is a complete reversal of trend as far as the deputy chief minister's position is concerned in the Mahayuti alliance. Remember, last time when the Mahayuti government was formed all the way back in 2022, it was Devendra Fadnavis, the former chief minister of Maharashtra, who took a step back and took the deputy chief minister's post on insistence of the central leadership, and Eknath Shinde was promoted to the CM's chair. chair. This time it is a reversal of roles and Devendra Fadnavis is returning as the chief minister, while Eknath Shinde all this while has maintained that he will obey and abide by the decision taken by the central leadership of the BJP, including Prime Minister Modi, President JP Nadda and Home Minister Amit Shah vis-a-vis the chief minister's position and the government formation is concerned. It seems like Eknath Shinde is taking it down to the wire whether or not he will be part of the government, which is why there is still confusion on whether or not in few hours from now he will be taking oath as the Shiv Sena minister. But once again, Uday Sawant's statement has reiterated the fact what
बीच उदय सामंत हो या भरत शेठ गोगावले, उन्होंने सबसे मांग की है, एकनाथ शिंदे से भी मांग की है। बताएं कि क्या कुछ आप लोगों ने एकनाथ शिंदे जी से कहा है, क्या आप लोगों की मांग रही है, क्या एकनाथ शिंदे उप मुख्यमंत्री पद की शपथ लेंगे?
मैंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोल दिया है कि हमने कल शिंदे साहब को सब एमएलएज ने जो मंत्री थे वो मंत्रीगणों ने रिक्वेस्ट की है कि आपको उप मुख्यमंत्री बनना चाहिए और हमको विश्वास है कि एकनाथ शिंदे साहब शाम को उप मुख्यमंत्री पद की शपथ लेंगे।
All right, so that's the word coming in from the Shinde Sena at this point, as they say that they're urging their top leader to take oath, but they are unsure on whether this will happen.
हम बार बार कह रहे हैं 5:30 बजे वो शपथ लेंगे।
इतना वक्त क्यों लगा?
हमारे सभी विधायकों को इसकी गारंटी है, हमने 2 दिन से उनको मनवा रहे हैं और वो नहीं चाहते थे, वो चाहते थे किसी और को बना ले, अपन थोड़ा साइड में रह के पक्ष का काम करेंगे। लेकिन हमने कहा है कि तुम्हारा जो रैपो तैयार है, तुमने जो 2.5 साल में मेहनत की है, तुम्हारे बातों में जो आज दम है वो हमारे में से किसी का नहीं है, तो आप हमारा नेतृत्व करो और आप डीसीएम पद की शपथ लो। तो शायद उन्होंने वो हमारी बात मान ली होगी। अभी 1 घंटे का अभी हम वहाँ जा रहे हैं और हम उनको मनवा लेंगे 100% और आज 5:30 बजे वो शपथ ग्रहण करेंगे।
वो कह रहे हैं कि आप लोगों को किसी को भी डिप्टी सीएम
नहीं, हम में से कोई डिप्टी सीएम नहीं बनेगा, ये बात तय है। हम उसी नेता को उस चेयर पे देखना चाहते जिसने हमारी राजनीति में हमको सहारा दिया।
दोबारा से मिलने जा रहे हैं शिंदे साहब से आप लोग?
आप तो मिलने अभी जा रहे हैं और मुझे लगता है आज 1-आधे घंटे में सब क्लियर हो जाएगा।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। संजय शिरसाट, शिवसेना नेता, खास बातचीत की रिपब्लिक टीवी से। वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट कांति के साथ संदीप सिंह, रिपब्लिक टीवी।